Hello and welcome to the Content Creation video course. For this first tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple formula for your ebook content creation. I like to call this rule the 5x5 formula. This simply means your content should at least have 5 points where each of the points will have another 5 subpoints. Let me illustrate an example for you. Let's say you're publishing content on how to create your ebook. Your content should have 5 main points, which I have listed accordingly. Then each of the main points, for example, the first point, creating content, will have a breakdown of another 5 points. This applies to all of the main points of your content. This will speed up your content creation journey and you will never go wrong. Welcome back. In this video tutorial, you will be learning how to format your ebook. We'll be focusing on how you can set your page margin, header, and footer, as well as the Shift plus Enter formula. First is to set your document's margin. On the top of the Word document, click on Layout. Then you'll see a number of options. Click on Margins, select Normal. Now you are able to see that the document is aligned according to the margin. Next is inserting your header and footer. Click on View and select Header and Footer. Then your header and footer will appear. You can then type in your preferred header and footer. For this tutorial, I inserted content creation videos. What you type in will automatically sync with the number of pages that you have in your ebook. You can then click Close when you are done. Next is the Shift plus Enter formula. This formula is important as it enables you to type in a new line and not a new paragraph. Let me illustrate an example for you. I have typed in a short paragraph and have come to the end of the page. I use the Shift plus Enter formula, and it enables the content to remain in the same paragraph without adding any unnecessary gaps or spaces. By using the Shift plus Enter formula, especially when you have reached the end of the page, you are able to avoid unnecessary spaces between paragraphs as your content is dragged further down when you choose to use the Enter key. Hello and welcome back. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create your table of contents in a systematic way. Your content will appear in a more organized and easy to comprehend manner. First, on top of your Word document, click on Document Elements. You'll then be directed to Table of Content. Then, you are able to view a small arrow heading downwards. Click on the arrow. A list of automatic table of content will show. You may then select whichever heading you want to apply on your table of content. For this video tutorial, I'm selecting Classic as my heading. As you can see, your table of content is yet to be completed as there are no entries yet. Therefore, the next step is to insert entries to your table of content. I've already typed in 5 different sections to be inserted. You now need to click on the Home option on your document. Then head to Styles. Before you click on anything, make sure you highlight the first sentence or heading of your section. In this case, it's Creating Content. Select Heading 1. As you can see, our first heading is now enlarged and is formatted. Continue to apply the same rule to all of the different sections. Now, all of the first headings are prominent compared to the others. The next step is to highlight your second heading. When you've highlighted the subheading, head on to Styles and click on Heading 2. Your subheading is now formatted, but slightly smaller than your first heading. Apply the same rule to all the subheadings in your document. When you're done, each of your sections now have their main heading and subheading that is clearly distinguishable. To complete the table of content, head back to the table of content that we have set up earlier on. Then click on Table of and select Update Table. Your table is now linked to your headings and is completed. This is a very effective method to organize your content.